3. Precious soil. Warm up. What do plants need to grow beside air, water, and sunlight? To get the answer, write the initial letter of the following picture. What is soil? Soil is the upper layer of the earth in which plants grow and on small animals, insects, and worms live. Soil formation. Our earth is a beautiful place to live on, but it was not as it is today. In the beginning, there was no life on the earth. It was covered with hard rocks. Slowly, the rock started breaking into smaller and smaller pieces because of the rain, sun, and wind. This continued for years. These small pieces of rocks broke further into tiny pieces. They were carried around by wind and water. The pieces rubbed against each other till they became soil. Different kinds of soil have different colors. Did you know? The soil is home to millions of insects such as beetles, bugs, and earthworms. What does soil contain? 1. Soil contains rocks and stones of different sizes. 2. Soil contains minerals which help plants to grow. 3. It contains dead and decayed plant and animal matters called humus. Humus provides nutrients for the growth of plants. 4. It also contains air and water. Activity. Take a handful of garden soil in a bottle or jar and fill it with water. Cover it with a lid and shake it well. Allow it to stand for 15 minutes. You will see the formation of different layers in the jar. The stones and pebbles settle down at the bottom. The grains of sand are seen above the stones. The clay settles above the sand. Then the water layer and humus is at the top. Humus, water, clay, sand, stone. Activity. Take a sample of soil in a container and cover it with a lid. Take help from an adult. Heat the container on a low flame. Open the lid. You will see drops of water on the lid. This activity. Take some soil in a jar. Pour water over it. What do you observe? You will see bubbles coming up as you pour water. This happens because the air trapped in the soil escapes as bubbles when water enters the soil. Types of soil. There are different types of soil at different places. There are three types of soil. 1. Clay soil. 2. Sandy soil. 3. Garden soil or loamy soil. 1. Clay soil. Clay soil is sticky and is used for making pots and toys. Clay particles are very fine. There is no space for air between the particles. This soil can hold a lot of water. 2. Sandy soil. Sandy soil is mostly found in deserts and on the seashore. Sandy particles are big. There is a lot of space between these particles. Sandy soil cannot hold much water. Garden or loamy soil. Garden or loamy soil is a mixture of sand and clay. It has a lot of humus. Loam is best for plants because it contains air, water, and humus. Humus makes the soil fertile. Did you know? Different kinds of soil have different amounts of water and air in them. Roundup. Soil is the upper layer of the earth in which plants grow and on which we walk and live. Soil was formed because of rain, sun, and wind. Soil contains rocks, stones, minerals, humus, air, and water. Three types of soils are clay soil, sandy soil, and loamy soil. Soil is very useful for different people and things.